What is an off-market deal? This seems like a simple question, but surprisingly, there's a lot of different opinions on what exactly makes an off-market deal. Some people think it's an off-market deal if there are no realtors involved. Okay, well, what about someone who sells through an auction or even for sale by owner? There's no realtors involved, possibly, but if that seller did it right, then they still advertised the home and probably had a bunch of people walk through the house. Other people think if it's not on the MLS, then it's off market. Okay, maybe, but what if a realtor or a wholesaler emails their database of 1,000 buyers advertising the property, and then they show it to 100 people and 100 people walk through? Is that still off market? To me, an off-market deal has not been marketed, is not public, and is between a seller and one buyer who made an acceptable offer. There may or may not have been a realtor involved. So why does this matter? When sellers want an off-market deal, they don't want dozens of people walking through their house. They want privacy, they want low drama, etc. And a lot of investors and realtors out there claim to do off-market deals, but they really don't. You'll get a low offer without all the benefits of an off-market deal that I just mentioned. So if you're thinking of selling to an off-market buyer, be sure to do your homework and ask plenty of questions so that you know what you're getting into. I'm Kyle McCorkle with Prime Home Real Estate, and thanks for watching.